Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? So I'm at my home right now, and I was taking out some recycling, and I don't know if you can see them already right here. Yeah, I live next to a state trooper, Washington State Trooper, but I saw these when I was taking out the recycling. Look at the size of these mushrooms. Oh, and Amanita Muscaria. That one I know. Make you hallucinate. Look at the size of those mushrooms. Oh, are they Amanita Muscaria? All of them? I can't tell, but they might actually be. I mean, that's my hand. Let me refocus. So, let me give you something to compare the size to. Actually, I can't. There we go. There's a $5 bill. If that can give you an idea how big these suckers are. I mean, them some large mushrooms, man. Holy crap. I think they're Amanita Muscaria. I think that because there's one over here. You can tell by the speckled top. And it's not fully grown up yet. I also think that there's a little guy right here popping up. But see how they have the speckles on the top still? And actually there are two kinds of mushrooms over here. There's these little guys as well. But man, those things are massive. They just caught my eye. There's a nice looking one too. Now, I might be wrong about their kind they are, but I'm basically only going by the speckled tops. See how they have speckles left over? Looks like this one's been kicked over. These are the ones that'll make you hallucinate because they're toxic. Something I'm not into, but another little mushroom over here. It doesn't have any speckles on top. The sad part is the guys will come by and mow the lawn. They'll just kick them right over. It's kind of cool though. Growing right here next to home. Pretty neat. Thanks for watching.